Well, Alex and Liza are going to be here any minute now, and I'm super excited. So this is what the house looks like so far. See, we've got a lovely bathroom. I got the breeze and everything. Got candle burning to make it all romantic like. Oh, don't do that noise. And I got the kitchen islands all cleared off. Got a little doggy chew thing, little treat for Stitch, a pork thing. I didn't put all the dishes up because I didn't know where they want to put them, but living room's all cleared out except for the empty boxes and the video games and the DVDs are still there. But yeah, it's all nice and open for them when they get here. Of course, my room is still a frickin' disaster. Actually, it's more of a disaster than it was before, but I did get a bookcase, so that will help. So yeah, they should be here in like 10 minutes or so. So I will whip this puppy out when they get here so I can film our first, I don't know, whatever it is.